How to link bank account to Cash App. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these steps. So first thing you can do is open up the Cash App on your screen and log in into your account. Now, from the given interface, you may tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you will be getting your account details. Along with that, under account and settings, we should be finding an option called linked banks. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you may find this option of link bank. So all you gotta do is simply tap on link bank from the screen. Once you tap on it, you need to continue the process. So tap on continue. You may read the terms and conditions provided here. Just tap on continue after you read it. And after that, you need to select up your institution, like your bank account from which bank you would like to add onto the Cash App. So go ahead and search if you can't find it and choose that bank account. For example, Capital One. After that is done, you may go ahead and enter up your username and password in this section. And after that, continue with the process. Just tap on continue reading the terms and conditions. After that, you need to authorize your bank account, and once that is done, your bank account will be successfully linked into Cash App. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.